Hey guys, how's it going? My name is AppWiz, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze frames on phone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up the CapCut app, all right? And as you can see, right here, this is the CapCut app now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just looking for my project. Okay, let's say for example, I want to go ahead to this one. Well, right now, as you can see right here, this is the video and everything. And if we move our fingers, we're going to move the video frame, right? So I'm going to select the part that I want to freeze, right? Let's say example, this one, click on the video. And what you're going to do, you get to swipe right here. And you're going to see an option that allows you to freeze. Okay, and here you're going to see it next to the voice effects. You're going to see on your left freeze, click on it. And basically, when I move the video frame right here, you're going to see the video has stopped right here and you can extend it or make it at least, less than it should, all right? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe